Oh yeah. Okay.
Today's video, we're going to be installing the Alpine Adventure speaker kit in a Crafter. It also fits the Grand California and the Man TGE. We're going to start by fitting the main door speaker and the baffle. So we'll start with taking some trims off. Have a nice flat trim tool, and we're going to pop this trim off just here. Next, grab a T30 to undo the screws for the door. With those removed, we've now got some T20s to remove here, here, and here. Okay, now we've got the screws in done, we can remove the door card. There she goes. With the door card pulled off, you now need to release the clip for the handle. All you do is pull back on that tab, and then you unplug your window switch. So with the door card now removed, it's time to remove the speaker. To do this, you've got to unplug this clip here. There's your speaker wire. And now we've got to drill out the 4 rivets. With those rivets now removed, we can remove the speaker. We now need to remove the remainder of the rivet. So I used some cutters to get rid of a lot of the excess. Minding the loom on this one. And then we're going to try and push this through with some of the trims and catch it from the inside. Sometimes it'll go, sometimes it won't. So just tap those excess bits of rivets out. Just tap them through and let them fall to the bottom of the door. But that's not really very nice, is it? Okay, so I've opened up our bag of nuts and bolts to mount the speaker baffle. So we're going to grab a nut and a bolt, wrong way around obviously. Pop the bolt through into the hole, allow it to slot in, and then I'm going to grab a 4mm Allen key on a ratchet just to help me guide into the door. Right, lining it up. So again, bolt through this side. We need to tweak it very slightly and ratchet it in. And then grab the nut from behind. Once we've got all 4 done up hand tight, then we'll do them up with the spanner and the ratchet. Okay, so now the speaker adapter is installed, we're about to mount the speaker. But as you can see, we've got some speaker cables to connect up. So if we're looking at our factory connector, you can see you've got the positive on this side, the negative on the other side. So these are 4-pin plugs. So make sure that when you are installing your speaker cable into the connector on the baffle, make sure you get them in the right location. So the red one, we're going to put to the furthest towards the top, and they just push in and clip tight. It's a nice satisfying click. And then same again for the negative. And you'll see that they're now pop through in this connector. And then installing the speaker is just a case of lining up the holes, make sure you don't trap any wires, and then with the supply screws, we'll do it up. And the final step before we install the door card is we have got to stick on the fast ring, which is the foam round disc. It installs via sticking on to the top of the speaker, and it helps direct the sound towards the cabin. And that's the speaker installed. So now we can go ahead and put the door card back on and build this side back up. There you go. And that's one door done. So repeat for the other side, and then we're going to move on to do the tweeter installation. So tweeters, next step, we're going to take off this handle. We're going to remove this panel here, which is the lower part of the A-pillar, and then we'll remove the full A-pillar as well. So we're grabbing our flat trim tool again, and we're going to pop the cover off this handle, a little bit fiddly, give it a wiggle, and it will release. There we go. And then you've got some T30s to do. That's the handle removed. And then we're going to move on to the lower section of the A-pillar. So again, with our flat trim tool, get behind the door seal, and then this panel pops out from the top. So with the lower section of the A-pillar unclipped, we can now remove the main section. Again, we'll grab our trim tool, we'll start at the top, and then it unclips outwards. There we go. It's on there, that's for sure. Oh, there's another one. That was mental. So now with it unclipped, we'll pull the panel up, and then the speaker's unclipped already. Let's remove it and install the A-pillar grills. So with our A-pillar removed, the next step is to install the speaker grill. So what we need to do there is flip it over, and then we need to remove all the plastic welds for this section of the back of the A-pillar. This will then be removed, and then after that, we have to cut the grill out so we can install the new grill. So with the plastic welds removed, we can remove the back section of the A-pillar, nice and easy like that. And then, as we mentioned before, we're going to cut the grille out to allow for us to fit the new grille. Next step is we're going to grab the back half of the new A-pillar grille system. We're going to locate it into place, sit nicely, and then all these raised holes here, we need to drill a 4mm hole all the way around, and then this will be used as the way of sandwiching the grille later on. Okay, so we're going to stick some masking tape along the inside of each hole we just drilled, and this will be used as a bit of a cutting template in a few minutes. We've got a standing blade here, and then we're going to cut out along the outside edge. Final stage of the A-pillar assembly is we're going to install the new grille, sandwich it all together. So with our holes all drilled, these are going to line up with all these pegs here. So let's start with installing it. It's just a case of pressing them in gently, making sure we don't break anything. And flip it over. Cool. And then we're going to use the screws and just gently do up each one. I'm going to work my way all the way around just to spread everything evenly. So with all the screws done up, now we can clip our tweeter into the new housing and then reinstall the A-pillar. Give me a minute. Final step before the A-pillar goes in, we're going to install this little bit of foam around this section of the wiring harness. This is just to prevent any vibration when the panel is installed. And now we're good to install the A-pillar and plug the tweeter in. With the A-pillar clipped in, we're going to install the grab handle and then pop the trim back on. Once again, repeat the other side and then we're done.